The Seahawks are set to return the kickoff. Fields the football at the 3. Spins. He's brought down at the 25-yard line. That return's good for about 22.
Hail Mary!
And here's Peterson getting ready to man his spot in the backfield again. He hasn't made much of an impact in this game, Phil, and that's caused
every play.
His side.
Hail Mary.
He is the center of their football team.
We'll see if it works.
He goes well, of course, the team goes well. So they got to find a way to get him started.
We might throw him off by choosing different types of Hail Marys.
Tell that offensive line to toughen up in this game and change around.
Say Chiefs to win the Super Bowl.
On the right. The Seahawks will take the snap from the 25.
One! There's 3 of you and 1 guy!
What a good job by the defensive back that time. That ball was thrown beautifully down the field.
Yeah, it was.
But the back in great position knocks it down.
Any receiver not catching Hail Mary is fired.
Second down now.
All right, here we go. Hail Mary on the left.
Down the field. The defender able to knock it away.
Oh!
And we've reached the 2-minute warning in this one.
I like my caddy. All right, guys, let's huddle up here. Our Hail Marys are failing. We're going to need to get a little bit more hail in our Mary.
Trying to maintain a
lead
going
break.
Following that incompletion, it sets up 3rd and 10. The Cardinals with 2 extra defensive backs in the dime. Launches it down.
Better catch it. You better catch it.
And incomplete.
How did he not catch it?
Forcing 4th down in a hurry.
What in the world? He was wide open. Can we see a replay of Butterfingers? No, we're not punting.
Make the football be incomplete.
There's no punting here.
The Seahawks will risk it here, going for it on 4th down. The Seahawks need to get to the 35 to pick up a first. The Seahawks will take the snap from the 20.
Better catch this ball. You're wide open.
To go down the field here.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! You guys are fired!
Good job.
Fired!
Defense not being fooled, being in position. When you're in position, you have a chance to make the play. That time they did. They got the interception.
He wasn't even looking. Watch. He just jumps up in the air. No punt intended.
Let's see where they are mentally here, Phil, after allowing a touchdown. They got to have some motivation.